So I would argue on the test, this is probably the biggest gift I'm giving you. Okay. When you're given a common denominator to begin with, we just keep it. My x cannot equal -2. On top, when there's a negative sign, do not forget to distribute. 2x minus 4x is -2x. 1 minus a -5 is a +6. And in this case, I'm always a fan of just looking. If I take a -2 out of the top, I'm left with x minus 3. That doesn't cancel anything. If something could cancel, absolutely. But since nothing cancels, I just leave it. Okay. Here, the common denominator is 3x. Leave it. 5 and 4 combined, 9 plus 2x. If you want to write 2x plus 9, that's fine as well. In this case, you cannot have, though, a 0 in your denominator. All right, so now here, we have two different denominators. Okay, so we need to get a common denominator automatically. The denominator that's here has to be multiplied to the other fraction, top and bottom. The denominator that's here has to be multiplied to the other fraction, top and bottom. So we get 4x minus 12 over x minus 3, x plus 2, plus 5x plus 10 over x minus 3, x plus 2. And then on the bottom, x minus 3, x plus 2. 4x and 5x is 9x. -12 and 10 is -2. You can do this first, you can do this second, I really don't care. But my x cannot equal 3 or -2. Here, my denominator, top, and the denominator up here, top and bottom. So remember, we're just basically multiplying by a form of 1. 7x minus 28 over x minus 4, 2x plus 1, minus 8x plus 4 over x minus 4, 2x plus 1. My denominator is going to be x minus 4, 2x plus 1. 7x minus 8x, -x. -28 minus 4 is -32. Remember, this negative needs to be distributed to both terms. Okay? And x does not equal 4 or -1/2. There's your answer. So when you see something like this, we got to factor. X plus 8, x minus 3. X plus 8, x plus 2. The x minus 8 is common. X plus 2 over x plus 2. X minus 3 over x minus 3. So my denominator, x plus 2, x plus 8, x minus 3, plus x plus 8, x plus 2, x minus 3. Okay, and up top I'm multiplying. 2x plus 4, 4x minus 12. When you add, you keep your denominator. The order don't get too concerned about as long as all three terms are there. 2x and 4x is 6x. 4 and -12 is -8. You pull a 2 out, you're left with 3x minus 4. And now we have x cannot equal -2, -8, and 3. And these are our answers. Here, we're going to factor the bottom. 2x plus 1, x minus 4, minus 2x plus 1, x plus 5. It's going to be x plus 5 over x plus 5. We're going to go x minus 4 over x minus 4. So 5x plus 25 over x plus 5, 2x plus 1, x minus 4. Minus 3x minus 12 over 2x plus 1, x plus 5, and x minus 4. Now, what can my x not equal? Negative 5, negative 1/2, or 4. My common denominator, 2x plus 1, x plus 5, x minus 4. 5x minus 3x is 2x. As negative gets distributed to both terms, 25 and 12 is 37. There's my answer.